We've removed the carburetor, the radiator, and all of the connections to the motor. The motor mounts, the exhaust, everything has been removed. Most of it without much ceremony. We're not saving any of that, so you can cut a lot of it, you can burn a lot of it. Now Mark and Dave are pulling the motor out. Now you can pull the motor out. We've used a carburetor plate to give the chain a good place to grab on. It allows you to choose a place that leans the motor at the right angle. It's possible to do this with one person, but it's safer to have two. You've got one watching to see if there's anything hanging up. Always be careful when you're pulling a motor, never to get under it. We've owned this crane for years. We've owned lots of others. They've never failed. You just don't want to take a chance of getting hurt.